Plumbers have been hiding this secret from you all this time. In many places, getting cross-shaped pipe connectors can be a challenge. This leads many people to try using triple connectors, only to find out they don't work as expected. But here, I'll share a trick that will solve this problem. Imagine you need to connect 4 water pipes, but you don't have cross-shaped connectors. In this video, I'll show you how you can do it using just 2 standard POS elbows. The first step is to draw a curved line on the back of each PVC elbow, marking the needed cut point. With a hacksaw, cut following these lines traced on both elbows. Thanks for watching the video. Once you've made the cuts, grab a piece of sandpaper and smooth out the cut areas until they are even and free of burrs. Repeat the process with both PVC elbows. Then take a blade and remove the rough edges that remained on the edges of the cut pipe. Then, apply quick-dry cement on the smooth surfaces of the cuts and join them firmly. This process will create a solid bond between the 2 elbows, thus forming a cross. Once the joint is dry, you can proceed to insert each end of the 4 tubes into the ends of the cross you have created. You'll see how they fit perfectly, avoiding any water leakage. With this method, you won't have to worry about finding or paying for cross-shaped connectors, which are often scarce or expensive in some places. Plus, this hack is easy to follow and will save you time and money on your plumbing projects. Next time you need to connect 4 water pipes, remember this plumber's secret. I guarantee it will save you a lot of trouble and allow you to complete your work effectively and affordably. Try it and see the results for yourself. If you've made it this far, drop me emojis of your voice so I'll know you watched the whole video. If it's the first time you're seeing one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tipsy.